Hey darlings, welcome back to my channel. For all those who are new here, I'm Aparna Jatin Shah, and for all those who've been connected with us, thank you so much for showering so much love. I love you guys. So since it's the holiday season, abhi when we were doing up our Christmas tree and we were going to get gifts and all, it kind of got बहुत ज़्यादा confusing कि किसके लिए क्या ले, and then we had to budget it up because we didn't want to go very overboard with expenses also. So while we were trying to search and मैं Jatin Ashika we were trying to figure out कि किसको क्या छोटा मोटा we can give as a Christmas gift, because आपको has this very strict rule कि जो भी हमारे घर पे न्यू ईयर्स या क्रिसमस के टाइम आता है हम सबके लिए क्रिसमस ट्री के नीचे गिफ्ट्स रखते हैं. So while we were doing all the follow up of क्या gifts ले सकते हैं, researches and all, we came up with a lot of options, and I thought since it's the holiday season for all of us, maybe I could just make a video of the best 5 to 6 things that I think are in good budget and you can give it across. So here I am with whatever I really like that I have, and I'll try and put in the description link of all the things that I get online, and other than that you can also go to the market and similar things also you can buy. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So the first thing that I got is this. So basically it's a small diary which is a New Year diary, but for people like me who have appointments and everything, इसमें dates के साथ I'm also mentioned. So I always need a diary like this because मेरा morning around 7:38 till evening around 6:37 I have various things that I have to do on a particular time. Sometimes go out for meetings, or sometimes I have my Zoom calls, and also I like to do things very particularly on time. एक दिन पहले मैं हमेशा लिख लेती हूँ next day मुझे like from 9 to 10 what I have to do, 11 to 12 what I have to do. So I feel very organized and I don't get rattled up in the whole day. So this diary is for those people who are organized, kind of a little too organized like me with timings on weekdays. So yeah, this is one of the diaries. Now if you can see the length, it is just my palm size. Jatin was telling me to pick up a little bigger diary because obviously मेरे को बहुत scribble down करना पड़ता है. But the only reason I took this size of the diary is because मेरा जो laptop bag है उसमें I like to have my laptop, my diary, my charger for laptop and my cell, and my pens and my shades. So these are the things I need in my laptop bag whenever I am traveling out of my house. So बड़ी डायरी में थोड़ा सा बल्कि हो जाता है. दिस साइज बहुत छोटे में obviously then चीज़ें लिखने में प्रॉब्लम होती है. So I thought this was a very good size where it was not too big for me to keep and it didn't become bulky, but at the same time बहुत छोटा भी नहीं हो जाता है कि चिक चिक छोटू छोटू आप लिखो and then you just end up not realizing कि आपने लिखा क्या है. So yeah, this was my first option that you could give to your friends who are working, or even people who are homemakers if they like to organize things throughout the day. Now the second diary is this. Now again, this is a little bigger diary than the one that I have. It's almost 1.5 size of my palm if you can see from here. So now Jatin is trying to be a little more particular like me. Otherwise he used to write on a piece of paper और वो सारी list उनकी paper के संग ही उड़ जाती थी. Now that he has a lot to do with editing and then his shoots, traveling to Bombay and Pune, so he also kind of is getting organized with writing. So he's also taken the one with timings, but he wanted a little bigger one because he likes सब चीज़ बहुत पास नहीं लिखा हो. He likes to like leave a line and everything. So yeah, for the people who do not mind traveling with the bulky diaries, this is one of the best option. इसका Amazon link also I will put in the description box for you guys. Now the next thing that Jatin and I bought are this weekly planner. So basically this weekly planner we picked up. इसमें दो तरह का वीकली प्लानर था. एक में जो 2021 के सारे डेट्स विद डेज लिखा हुआ था, एंड दिस इज द वन विच हैड नो डेज एंड डेट्स रिटन. तो सो इफ यू कैन सी इट क्लोजली, आपको यहाँ पे डेट्स एंड ऑल लिखने पड़ेंगे. सो दैट इज द वन वी वांटेड बिकॉज बहुत बार ऐसा होता है कि डेट्स लिखी रह जाती है, लाइक इफ वी आर ट्रैवलिंग फ्रॉम 15 to 20th ऑफ अ पर्टिकुलर मंथ, तो वो वाले पर्टिकुलर मंथ में वो वाले पेजेस हमारे वेस्ट हो जाते हैं. So if we are not doing anything for those 5 days, और जाते हैं मेरा बहुत ज़्यादा traveling रहता है with Bombay and Pune and various other places. I really go to Bilaspur at times. So in those cases, those pages will now not get wasted. हम अपने हिसाब से whenever we are working, we can put the dates. And I am very particular about weekly planners, daily planners and yearly planner. So another thing that you can give that I did not find right now is an yearly planner also, जो मैं हमेशा before Christmas I go and buy for myself. That I'll put a link of on Amazon in case if I find the link for that. That is also amazing. It's like a big sheet that comes with the entire year plan, so you can have like an entire bigger picture of what you want to do, what your aims and goals are for the year, how much have you achieved. It just becomes too much easier to, you know, relate to all this and mix them up together, and you don't get rattled up. Monthly also you can plan, yearly also you can plan. So yeah, these are the organizers for the people who are as crazily organized as me. Actually, I love organizing my work, my home stuff, everything. And so this is one part of it. The next thing that you can give are certain books that I have been reading and मुझे बहुत पसंद आई वो books. So the first option is Becoming Michelle Obama. This is one of my best reads that I've had till now. I read a lot of books like Secret and Mahatria, but this was one of the, other than those 2-3 books, that I loved reading. I think I've read this twice. And another book that you can give to your friends who love reading is Ikigai. So this is basically Japanese way of living. It explains a lot. I won't be able to explain in a nutshell here, but it's a beautiful book for somebody who likes to read. Now a lot of people don't know uska second part has also come. Now this is the second part, which most of the people, when I was reading and my friends saw on Instagram and all, when I tagged this book, they said yaar हमें पता ही नहीं था ये वाली भी Ikigai आ गई है. So if somebody loves reading, you can, like, if you have a better budget, you can give both, or you can just give one of these two. A lot of people have read this, so you can like give this. So yeah, these are the book options that you have. Now the next option that you give to people who really like reading is are these handmade bookmarks. So now there is this girl we know who, this is not printed, she makes it all by herself. So this is like a really, if you want to give somebody who understands art, who loves art, they would love the kind of tech, you know, the kind of work that she does. It's so intricate. I just hope it is well visible to you guys. So it is so intricate, so beautiful. It must be taking like number of hours to finish something as small as this. But well, passion is passion, and somebody who loves art and painting and these kind of stuff, they will definitely understand. From the same person, she also does these kind of beautiful artwork, which you can also put in a beautiful piece of.
अबे जल्दी बोल, कल सुबह पनवेल निकलना.
Which you can also put in a beautiful piece of framework, which is very nice for, you know, a background, or just to put next to your bedside table, or in the drawing room. It just looks so pretty, and she can also customize it to the colors and all that you like. So I will leave her Insta handle here so that you're able to DM her directly if you are looking for something specific, or you can also go and check out her page. She has beautiful design. You can purchase that as well for your friends or family. So the next option that you have are evergreen love of everybody. I feel that I haven't come across anybody who doesn't like candles and the fragrance that it brings to it. So the one that I ordered from Amazon is Bella Vita Organic. It's some company. I wasn't aware of this company until I ordered, and believe in me, the kind of fragrance it has, even when you light it up, या अगर आप light up नहीं करके, what I do is a lot of candles I don't light up. I just keep in Ashika's bathroom ये open करके, and it has such a beautiful smell even just without lighting it. So this is a definite buy. There are these different fragrances I had ordered. One was Turkish vanilla. So it comes like this, and you can just light it up inside. So जो भी wax and all melts, वो अंदर ही रह जाता है. So there's nothing that you have to clean up, or you know, the wax moving out of anything. The next is Indian cinnamon. Again, this is in orange color. If you like cinnamon smell, then you will definitely love this. And the next is French lavender. So this is how it looks. and it also has an amazing smell. Mostly this I keep next to my bedside table and I just open it. ये वाला तो मैंने अभी तक light up भी नहीं किया है, but वो smell एक भीनी भीनी सी side से it just keeps, you know, coming to your nose and it just feels so calming when you're sleeping. So this is something the lavender is something I really use. And the next one is California Rose. So this is the color that it has. It has a beautiful red color. Now this one also I put a lot of times in the guest bathroom whenever some guests and all are coming. Even though I haven't lit this up, उसका smell इतना अच्छा होता है that most of the time they're like, कौन सा candle have you lit? And also yeah, a lot of people have asked me personally कौन सा candle है जिसका smell इतना अच्छा है. So and it is not very expensive, that is the best part. So इसका I think ये वाला Turkish vanilla तो मैंने second time order किया था. I will put the link in the description box for this as well. So yeah, these were the things I thought that would make for a very good gifting purpose for New Year's or Christmas, or even just a little gift that you want to send across to somebody just to make them smile. And if you do order any of these, let me know in the comment box what was their reaction. If you like this video and you want us to make more videos like these, please let me know in the comment box as well. And if you think ये किसी को और help करेगा, please consider sharing it with them, and also consider subscribing to our channel. Here are our Instagram ID. And Merry Christmas and Happy New Year everyone. I hope we are all very safe in the coming year and we prosper a lot more than we have in this year. And until I see you guys again, keep shining.